Should SeaWorld's killer whales be released? In recent years, a massive social media movement has emerged, calling for the release of SeaWorld's orcas back into the wild. Advocates claim this would be the best outcome for these animals. However, the reality is far more complex, particularly because 15 of the 18 orcas at SeaWorld parks were born in captivity and have no natural habitat to return to. The other three, the wild-born, have spent over 4 decades under human care. Let's break this down, starting with the captive-born whales. Captive-born orcas have spent their entire lives in controlled environments with filtered water and selected diets. Their immune systems are not equipped to handle the challenges of the ocean, such as pathogens and pollutants. Transitioning them to such a drastically different environment could be not only stressful, since each animal adapts differently, but also potentially fatal due to their increased vulnerability. As for the wild-born orcas, the challenges are even greater. Take Corky, for example, a 59-year-old female currently residing at SeaWorld San Diego. She has lived in human care for more than 5 decades, forming bonds with the other orcas in her pod, even adopting a younger whale. While there are proposals to move her to a sea pen in British Columbia, would this truly be in her best interest? Such a move could cause immense stress for an aging animal, not to mention the disruption of her social connections. Is this decision genuinely about her welfare, or is it driven by an idealistic vision of freedom? SeaWorld is far from perfect, this is undeniable. However, for these orcas, there are limited viable alternatives. Since 2010, SeaWorld has made significant improvements, including ending its orca breeding program, a major step forward. While the facilities are not flawless, they may currently represent the safest and most stable environment for these animals to live out their lives. In the end, the question remains, should we prioritize the human ideal of freedom or focus on ensuring the welfare and stability of these individual animals?